Hey guys. I got here a while ago. I'm just getting ready. Now all I have to decide is which shoes to wear. My whole Maoli outfit, well, this dress, this hat, cost me 40 bucks. This was on sale from Big W, and it was just like a last minute thing. Like I was panicking, didn't know what to wear, and this is from Kmart. So I was gonna wear Aussie's one, but it was just a bit too small for my head. Although this one is also a little bit small, but this is what I'm wearing. Guys, my battery is running low, but I'm here seated. I feel a little bit lonely, missing Aussie a lot, but loving the vibes. It's so packed at the moment. Everybody's still making their way in. It is sold out, keep in mind, but there's still a lot of empty chairs. So this is the down area. Very noisy. I hope you can hear me. I've got my Red Bull and water, but I really miss my husband. I actually like my seat because I am at the very end. Guys, I'm trying to save the battery for like when Maui actually comes out. My phone is low battery, my camera is low battery. It's just, I don't know how I'm gonna get home. My phone's probably gonna die before it ends and I can't get an Uber. Anyways, I'm enjoying myself, learning a little bit about myself. You wouldn't otherwise learn without taking these experiences, if you know what I mean. Like before you became a wife, you were your own person. So I really pushed myself knowing that my husband might not be able to make it, but I pushed myself to make it here, and unsure in the beginning, but I'm enjoying myself. I do not envy anybody down there and the smells that might be protruding from people's buttholes. The only focus for my loving, like a mission I need my landers. Should be the only the best and nothing less to pay. You're the only woman that I need. The different gangs to the journey on, journey. Hey you guys, we have a friend living in our roof. Got a possum running around in there. We put up Bear's camera in there last night and we saw it and it was so gross. Aussie was up there yesterday. He couldn't find an entry point, but I pointed out that little hole right there. So he's gonna see what he can do. Oh. Đâu phải nè.
Đại mà vậy là ngọc con phải cùng phi phi sôi sôi mà la bia đi yêu bạc bia đi.
I didn't know she's loud.
Dia ngai đi đua là ngai le famille po ami.
Kiri do oi.
Ngal tips mà meu cái
Ngai
thing.
lang uma.
Dia ai. Nga subi lang ko so mo no gi che. Ah, eu vou foi em cá foi me se eu
Let's go. We'll take you guys.
Lele foi do mal. Eu vou fui para ele. Ele chegou no mar.
Aku sa po ka ang fiba bawa nga may ngo foi ise mo baka ka ko solo ele witse eu wo ya la nga ke fa pe ia no bala ama yo le uma kwa ma ai na o de uma di ira le sa
Mas sei, Fiki. Ngai se horrific.
Koso
Ifi.
ki whakari roa la kulolo kuala.
O le su enga o nga le whainga.
Nga la kulolo flom kuala so.
Whainga ole.
Langa lai ia ka whainga luenga I o e whaasius.
Ko yo ko porle a umma mo mai ko pasa si. Le ba mai pasa si.
12:30.
Muri me vai vai. Ike yo no puota. Aro ki kiso. Nenga mi dong foi do ya malu. Sino. Yung po pa para ko sumo. Lagi.
Mea?
Sawa ka.
O whengai pakai? Si whare ai a.
Wala laka. Yung mawala yung.
Ka vale.
Ko mori ba.
Why did you say nga se solo? Solo ngu kua.
Mikere ise. O ni fai menga ise.
You!
Oi. Ia ro fai akua nga ko tikia ese.
Langa le ka kong sios. Fa pesio si ele mwhainga e alu e su el me alu nga iai.
Ngale pepale. Ngale pepale nga usau amai. Ia mo fo mo makiki me.
Hey you guys. It has been a long time since I've picked up this camera. If I've posted it, you know why. You know why. Our friend is back. Madre. Toddy?
Ele ko la si ko inga ba ang po.
Yeah.
Ja. Join niet vol om met zijn chavi maar ayo ka. Kasi siya lang po kayo ang mag-inya nga.
Sit! Get! Morning guys. It is a special day today because I picked up my car. Yay!
Sak mo play ka mula.
Lala ko isu ako. Yeah, it's in my phone. I probably sound like I'm coming down with something as well. I'm gonna go pick up my mum and then we're gonna go get my car. I swang get kaya ko ka.
I find my kakil, my family. Kayo. Wala po. Malaw, ia po family ko. Well, for it is mo. Sorry. Fela kaya ko ko. Kala kang suwa mayala sawa. Ang faya kaya fa Kele wan we nga nge an muso kim si o si fa be ko makwa ba ya mga biya maya we elo makwa nga kela ko
I told my workmates, you should see my house. It's so clean on the outside, in the backyard, in the front yard. And this lady was like, can you give her my number?
wala lemang ufifa nga no nga kele wan we nga boy ala nga muso do ba nga kweli sa la fa ba kweli sa ko fa nga we
Where's the flash?
So nice, so good.
It is really nice. We came for a quick drive in my new car with my parents and ended up here at Prouds in Gunners. Not that most of you guys even know where this is, but my dad repaired his Seiko watch. Guys, this is so weird being in this car. These guys need to be checked into an AA meeting. They are totally addicted to this game. This is the Domino's crew. This is my brother-in-law's mum. Lucy's mother-in-law. The Lord's over there watching NRL, kind of. I haven't really been vlogging since I got my car because I've just I've lost motivation, to be honest. When I'm ready to talk about it, I'll talk about it. But I just love my car so much. I was thinking of blowing my number plate, but I'm like, what am I gonna do? Are you guys gonna pay my rego for me? So whatever. So fancy. So I usually always get the basic model of all of my cars that I've ever bought. I've never gotten a fancy model before. It's just so unbelievably silent, like Prada glasses, but these are actually Versace glasses. I do not, like, I know I said I don't care for brands, and I really don't. I was just feeling really splurgy this day, and I've had them for like 3 years. The only dramas that I would say about this is like they're a bit tight for the average Islander head. Prada ones that my sister Molly gave me, and then I got this car diffuser. I don't really know what it's for. I thought I could put like some essential oils in there. I'm not sure if I can. In the instructions it doesn't say whether you're allowed to or not, and I don't want to wreck it. It's got all these fancy cool features.
Take a free to a new project. I don't expect anything back from you.
Bye, Putali.
Laluoy ng kao ka humufo.
Kalma ngaya
On our way to church now in my brand new car. We wake up pretty late. Oh no, we don't need that one right now.
If you want to make passive income online, I'd like to pay
I
you
need to sign in to get
$10,000
the
a month to help my agency.
Morning guys, bit of a rough morning. I feel like I'm coming down with something, but I am fighting it with everything in me, been taking vitamin C and all the rest of it. But I wanted to show you outside, because I walked into the room, and our room, the backyard is right there with the window. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Look how nice and clean our yard is. Like, I wish I could show you the before of this, because it looks atrocious. But it is so clean because Mum wakes up every single morning and picks up all the leaves that fall from these gum trees. All of these trees that we have surrounding our yard, and it just looks amazing. So thank you so much, Mum. I just did my hair, trying to look half decent. And I've been fasting this morning, just an intermittent fast. I open it in about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go for my walk and then hopefully come back and have something to eat.
Mangai kere ona benga ngwa ana ko wingu ya de ya kela basa kere la ngulu kere to ilang se seli fa kusa kala kuspa ya ole lulu sai ko le pasinga ko le tua o lulu sai le pa ye la pa ye lulu mo ala a sau de la lulu mo le o papa ai nei ngoi e pepe wa le ta mo wa Onga, ele lava kama ai ngai mayu makua. Ye mo ngake.
Now,
Ole on makua anga. Ai, pai mar spera fala, u fala au en. Sino pa? May naman ka ba? Sinang nga tao. Dia, kira sa ulo may kiroy. Buti nga mga kawe pa dia kira.
Sao? Ia wala po ang ye kaila wa koka. Ala mai viki wa uma wa koka ma
Me pikela ko e kaila ko a kokala i lumana ko whare.
ala nga fape mangua ura ko kaila wa koka. A fai malo ko gia.
Ia ole kong ia i mā perka ia ai kai au ma.
Ai, bakio mai foi vala au mai si osi mai mara ia o bua ia. Tau lau pele lau kau wo so ai ia ngai po nga fa pe o. Au ke usua u kai au fai la u ka fa solo fa solo fa pe ia. O ko fa popo pala lalo ka mako.
Good evening, guys. It's later in the afternoon. I haven't picked up the camera since that last slide. We did a bit of a grocery shop. We had dinner and now we're playing some Dommy. He's got it. Honestly, these games will honestly start some fights. Guys, this is what their mama does every morning. Just picks up her rubbish. It's really windy here at the moment, so I hope you can hear me, but look how clean that is. Like, I need to find a before photo because I just love coming out here and looking at the garden. It's so nice and clean. It's just what she likes to do to move her body. Can't believe how nice this is. Like, oh, don't mind my dog there. I wanted to show you the process of making these leis. So it's my sister's graduation in a week's time. She's graduating from her master's in migration law, and I had the fabulous idea to make them myself, which it might have been easier just to pay someone to do it, but this is the kind of person I am. I actually just want to do it myself. And I will be I will be cashing out probably 10s for this one because the $10 note is blue. This is where I'm at with it. I have a vision. This is going to be hot glue gunned on. I need to add some more patterns to it to make it just a tad bit longer. And then hoping this doesn't fall apart, but chocolates will be, I don't know if it's going to be too heavy or every second one actually. If it's every one, then it's going to be too heavy. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. So it's 10:51.
I was you monkey.
Don't get glue on my mat, please.